genuine masses to give you fundamental answer, to give you what is 7% true, to give you what is 7% genuine, to give you what is reality, what is real, what is practical. My dear friend raised the question, Mr. Ibrahim Chaudhary. Please, I'm the most unfortunate person in this planet. I'm the most unlucky person in this planet. This is all acting I'm doing. This is all fashion I'm giving you. I have not fallen in love with boys and girls alone, believe me or not, because I do not have any lover. I'm still leading a single life. I'm still a bachelor. You are my friends. You are my brothers. You are my sisters. That is why still I'm in an active mood. I'm still in search of my emotion to share with you. This is the reason, the secret behind it. Really, this is the tips I'm giving you to answer your question. To be honest, I never tell a lie. I never tell a lie. I never tell a lie. Never. The reason how I'm so energetic, the reason why I'm acting to hide myself, to keep hiding myself, because you heard that still I'm a roving child from one place to another. Today I'm in Bangladesh, tomorrow I'll be in Thailand, the following day I'll be in Malaysia, the following day I'll be in somewhere else in this planet. From one place to another, I'm moving just like a roving child, and I'm searching my companion emotion to share with hundreds and thousands of students at different parts of the world, giving my lecture, giving my guilty knowledge, English language skill knowledge, imparting with all of you. I'm feeling happy to be honest with you, rather than let my conjugal life. Believe me or not, I'm feeling more proud of that. Thank you very much, my dear fellow student. The watch is going so fast. It is close to 11:30. The honorable principal is still sitting here. You see, I'm very much honored. I'm very much honored in all respect because of your time, sir, your excellency. Because of you, you have given this session a lively one. Why I am so enchanted? Because of your presence, Mr. Honorable Principal. I never tell a lie. I'm a big enchanted because of my honorable CEO, Mr. Ibrahim Chaudhary, sitting here, and the Professor Irfan and Raza, and the Professor, this is Ibne. Oh, this is so proud name I'm feeling, and one female future principal and another male future principal as sitting here. Really, I'm in an enchanted mood because of you. And I said, you are my magnet. You are my energy, the secret of energy. I'm a piece of iron, as I told you. You are anywhere in me. That is why I am talking still, and I'll be talking the days onward. This is my